Welcome back to Inspiring Builds. I'm Dan, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change a DeWalt Miter Saw blade. First, disconnect the saw from the power supply. The same method will apply for most models. This one is a DW708. Check the blade size on your miter saw, and I picked up a 12-inch Diablo 80-tooth blade for a fine finish that I will provide a link to in the description below. These blades have a proven track record, and I use them in all of my other saws for nice clean cuts. Your miter saw should have came with a tool for changing the blade, but don't worry if you don't have it. All you will need is a T30 Torx bit, a 1/2-inch socket on a socket wrench, your new blade, and a couple minutes of time. Use the T30 Torx bit and loosen, but do not remove the arbor cover screw and pivot the arbor cover up as shown. If you're new here, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on those bell notifications so you don't miss any of these tutorials. Next, grab a 1/2-inch socket and socket wrench. These miter saws have a spindle lock, and the blade will rotate until the spindle lock is engaged. Engage the spindle lock by depressing the spindle lock button and rotating the blade until you hear the spindle lock, and test that the blade does not move. While continuing to depress the spindle lock button, loosen the blade screw by turning it clockwise, as the screw on these saws come with left-hand threads. If you're finding this video helpful, let me know in the comments below and give me a thumbs up. This is free to do, and it helps push my content to other viewers like yourself to help them out. Remove the blade screw, outer clamp, and the blade. You can see this one had its money's worth and overdue to be changed. Be cautious with the blades as they are sharp, especially the new ones. Be sure that the teeth at the bottom of the blade are pointing toward the rear of the saw and away from the operator. Install the outer clamp washer and blade screw. Tighten the blade screw by turning it counterclockwise while depressing the spindle lock button. Lower the arbor cover and tighten the arbor cover screw with the Torx bit. The previous blade had too much tear out even with applying blue tape. We will test out the new Diablo 80-tooth blade. The results came out nice as expected. I really appreciate you watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like, comment, share, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I release new videos.